Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, May 15th. Today's Zen story is titled Chop Wood, Carry Water Again. A man left his mountain village in search of enlightenment. He traveled far, studied with wise teachers, meditated in silent temples, and sat for years in contemplation. One day, he awoke with a deep and unshakable realization. At last, he understood. He returned to his village, walking with the calm of the one who has seen beyond the world. An old friend greeted him at the gate. "You've returned," the friend said. "What have you learned?" The man smiled. "Everything is clear now." His friend nodded. "Good. We need more firewood." The man picked up an axe and walked into the trees. The wind rustled the leaves. The blade met the wood. Somewhere, water flowed down the mountain. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to arrive in stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. Thoughts may come. Let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Does wisdom change the world or only how you see it? If the mountain remains, has the journey ended? Does wisdom change the world or only how you see it? If the mountain remains, has the journey ended? When you realize something, what becomes different and what has only returned? If the water still flows and the wood still burns, what has truly changed? When you realize something, what becomes different and what has only returned? If the water still flows and the wood still burns, what has truly changed? Now open your eyes for a moment and find any object around you. Lift it, set it down. Repeat a few times. How does it feel? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And as always, I'm putting them and the practical moments of Zen that you can play with into our private circle group. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.